Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Up English. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. It's so good to see you here again. Today, we have something very special for you.
That's right. Today's episode is called Master Advanced English Conversation.
Now, don't worry, even if you're a beginner, this lesson will help you sound more natural when you speak English.
Exactly. We'll show you how to talk like a confident English speaker in real conversations.
So, stay with us till the end. You'll learn new expressions, pronunciation tips, and fun examples that you can use every day.
And if you want to keep improving your English every week, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.
All right, let's get started.
So, Emily, many learners say, I can speak English, but I sound simple.
Yes, that's a very common problem. People say things like, I went to the park, it was nice. I met my friend.
That's correct, but it sounds a little robotic.
Exactly. Advanced English speakers connect their ideas smoothly.
Let's listen to the difference.
Sure, simple version. I went to the park. It was nice. I met my friend.
Now, advanced version. I went to the park, and it was such a lovely day that I decided to meet my friend there.
Wow, that sounds much more natural, right?
Yes. So, let's learn some linking phrases that make your English flow better.
Here are some examples. Because, so, even though, since, as a result, however.
Let's practice. I didn't sleep well last night, so I'm a bit tired today. Repeat after me, everyone.
Great! Now with even though it was raining, we went for a walk.
Let's say it again slowly.
Perfect! That's how you sound fluent and connected.
Emily, what's another thing that makes a conversation sound advanced?
I think it's natural reactions.
That's right. Native speakers often say small phrases like, oh, really? That's amazing. I see. Exactly. You're kidding.
Let's do a mini role play.
All right. I'll start. I tried sushi for the first time yesterday.
Oh, really? How was it?
It was amazing. I didn't think I'd like raw fish, but it was so fresh.
Exactly. Good sushi tastes completely different.
See? We just used 3 natural reactions. Oh, really? It was amazing. Exactly.
Let's practice, everyone. Say them with us. Oh, really? It was amazing. Exactly.
Perfect. These small phrases make your English sound alive.
Now let's listen to a short story and then practice speaking together.
Okay, here's our mini story. Yesterday morning, I went to a coffee shop near my office. I was waiting for my latte when I saw my old classmate Anna.
Oh, really?
Yes, I hadn't seen her for 5 years. We started talking, and it felt like no time had passed.
That's so nice. What did you talk about?
We talked about our jobs, travel, and future plans. She said she's moving to Canada next month.
Wow, that's exciting.
Now, let's break this story down and practice.
Repeat after us, slowly. I went to a coffee shop near my office. I saw my old classmate. We talked about our jobs and travel.
Good job. Now, let's try it faster, like natural conversation.
Nice! You sound fluent already.
Here's one pronunciation tip. Link your words together.
For example, don't say, I am going to eat.
Say it like this. I'm gonna eat.
That's more natural in casual English.
Another example, instead of want to, we often say wanna. I wanna learn English.
But remember, this is good for spoken English, not writing.
Exactly. So practice speaking like that when you talk with friends.
All right, let's check what you remember.
Question 1. What are some linking words we learned today?
Yes, because, so, even though, and however.
Good job.
Question 2. What's one example of a natural reaction?
Oh, really? Exactly. That's amazing. Perfect answers.
And finally, what's one pronunciation shortcut we practiced?
I'm gonna, and I wanna.
Well done, everyone.
Let's quickly review everything we learned today.
Number 1, connect your ideas with linking words.
Number 2, use natural reactions like, oh, really? Or, that's amazing.
Number 3, practice pronunciation shortcuts for natural speech.
When you use these 3 skills, your English becomes smooth and confident.
Exactly, just like a native speaker.
You're doing amazing, friends. Remember, every small step helps you get better at English.
So, here's your challenge for today. Write a short conversation in the comments using linking words and natural reactions.
We'll read your comments and reply to some of them.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.
You're learning English the right way with real conversations.
See you next time on Learn Up English.